We often rely on intuition when facing business challenges. Whether it's dealing with customer issues or internal obstacles, this instinct, shaped by our past experiences, can sometimes help us arrive at quick solutions. However, while intuition may work in some cases, it often leads to suboptimal or even wrong decisions, especially in today's fast-changing and complex business environment.
Our reliance on intuition is deeply rooted in human evolution. When our ancestors faced life-threatening situations, like avoiding predators on the savannah, quick decisions based on instinct were essential for survival. This primal wiring still helps us navigate split-second situations, such as avoiding obstacles while driving. But in today's business world, particularly with the rapid pace of technological change, relying on intuition alone can backfire. To avoid these pitfalls, one effective approach is the double diamond design process, popularized by the British Design Council. Managers driven by intuition and past experiences often skip the crucial discover and define phases, jumping straight into the develop and deliver phases. This means they start building solutions before fully understanding the problem, leading to ineffective or irrelevant outcomes. The discover and define phases are critical because they force businesses to thoroughly investigate and identify the real problem before rushing into solutions. The discover phase allows for gathering insights, exploring multiple perspectives, and uncovering hidden challenges. The define phase sharpens the focus, ensuring a clear problem statement that guides the development of effective and relevant solutions. This approach reduces the risk of missteps and increases the chances of success. A perfect example is Microsoft's 2006 Zune launch. Confident in their brand, Microsoft jumped straight into development, attempting to compete with Apple's iPod. However, they overlooked Apple's iTunes ecosystem and the emotional connection consumers had with Apple products. As a result, the Zune failed to gain traction, and Microsoft missed the broader shift toward smartphones, where Apple excelled with the iPhone. This reliance on intuition, rather than thorough market understanding, hurt Microsoft both financially and reputationally. For smaller companies, similar missteps could be catastrophic. That's why a structured approach like the double diamond is essential. By spending time on discovery and problem definition, companies can develop solutions that are both relevant and effective. While intuition can be useful in simple, quick decisions, it often leads to costly mistakes in today's complex business environment. Combining intuition with research and data-driven insights ensures that solutions are tailored to the real challenge at hand.
How often do you rely on intuition in business? Have you ever faced a situation where it led you astray? Comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight on innovation and strategy.
Thanks for watching and stay innovative.